my dear friends. My name is Kundan Kumar Singh and today I am going to deliver a beautiful lecture on mathematics dealing with the topic number system. In this we have the subheading that is International Numeral System. So this International Numeral System we are going to study in today's class. So before getting into the actual topic, let me say you some basics. Numeration. It is nothing but method of expressing a number in terms of words. What is numeration? Method of expressing a number in terms of word. That means we will be taking one number, that is example, suppose I am taking 5 4 3 8 7 6 5 8 2. This number I want to write in words. So how we will do this? This can be done in two ways. One is the Indian numeral system and the other is the international numeral system. Indian numeral system we have already studied in the previous video. If you haven't seen that video, I will drop down the link in the description. You can watch that video. After that you can come to this video for clear understanding. So this number, first of all we need to tell this number whether belongs to the international number system or not. This is actually Hindu-Arabic numerals. But how can we say this is international numeral system? Well, this can be said only by separation of the digits with the help of comma. So here, first three digits separated by a comma. Again, second three digits will be separated by a comma. That means every time from the rightmost side you have to separate three digits by a comma. Then we can say this number is falling under the category of international numeral system. Then only we can say this number is falling into the category of international numeral system. I hope you are clear with this. It is already justified that this is international numeral system. This number belongs to the category of international numeral system. Only after separation of the digits with the help of comma we can tell that this number will be falling into the category of international numeral system. This much clear? Okay. Now I am erasing this, and for that this number I want to write in words. But before writing into words, we have some certain rules which you need to follow with the help of table. So I am erasing this and drawing the table. So alright, in the international numeral system, what table is there? That is groups first. This will be the groups. Then you will have the periods. Okay. In the groups, you have first billions. Then you have billions. Then you have thousand. Then you have ones. So in the international numeral system, you have altogether four groups. What are they? Billions, millions, thousands and ones. Of course we have more, but we are not dealing with that much. For the time being, only 4 is knowing enough. Here you have billions, millions, thousands, ones. Then the periods you will have from the right extreme part we are going to take a column. Here in the periods you are having in the ones, that is unit, tens, hundred. Then in thousand you will have three columns. Every time you will have three columns. In thousand, that is thousand. I am writing shortcut, that is thousand. TH means thousand. This is TTH means 10,000. This 100,000 means HTH. 100,000. Then you have millions. Simply writing M. M means millions. Then I am writing 10 million. 10M. Then you have 100 million. 100M. Here in the billion also you will have three columns. This is billion, this is 10 billion, this is 100 billion. Once again I am repeating this table for the international numeral system. Here you have four groups. What are they? Billions, millions, thousands, ones. These are the four groups exist in international numeral system. And here are some periods you can observe. In the ones group you have three periods. What are they? Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 million, 100 million. So in this way you have to read the number. For suppose if I take any number, I am erasing this. This is what I am erasing it. This is the table. The name of this table is named as International Place Value Chart. What is the name of this table? International Place Value Chart. Okay? In this way, if any number is given, for suppose one number I am taking 5, 7, 3, 8, 6. This is the number. Let me extend some more to 1. This is the number. Now I want to write this number in terms of words. So you have to, first of all, this is Hindu-Arabic numerals, and you have to transform these Hindu-Arabic numerals in terms of international numeral system. So this can be done by the separation of comma. That is 3 digits separated by a comma. Every time 3 digits will be separated by a comma. That means this number has got transformed into international numeral system. Okay. After transforming it, what you will do? We are going to express this number in terms of words. So how you will do this? There are two routes. Either you can just put this number in this table, you will get the words. And the another way I am going to tell you, focus on that. So I am erasing this. I am erasing this table. Every time you have to read this number as from the left hand side, that is unit, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 million. In this way you have to read the number from the right hand side. Okay? Any number which is given in international numeral system, you have to read from the right hand side. Okay? I am erasing this. So till now whatever we have studied, we will reflect that into our actual transformation. So here I am taking example. Suppose one number I am taking 4, 5, 3, 2, 8, 7, 6. Okay. One more I am taking 1. So this is the number. This is actually a number. What kind of number? This is a Hindu-Arabic numeral. Now I will transform this Hindu Arabic numeral. This is Hindu Arabic numeral. I am writing over here. Hindu Arabic numeral. Why it is called Hindu Arabic numeral? It is just because of the history. When the Arabs came to India, they picked up this number. This is originally established in India. This number was originally found in India, but when the Arabs came to the India, they picked up this number and they spread up to the European countries. By that time, this number has been given the name Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay? So these Hindu Arabic numerals, first of all, we have to convert into international numeral system. So how you will do? You will write the number as it is. First of all, 4532876 So I have written the same number over here. Now if you separate three digits by a comma, then it will do our work. Okay, three digits have been separated by a comma. That means it has become international numeral system. Now the job is to perform this number in terms of words. So simply you take this first digit and then rest of the digits will be replaced by zeros. There are how many digits after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 number of zeros. Okay. Plus here 5, right, 5. After 5, 6 zeros. Why? 6 digits existing. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 3, how many digits? 5 digits. So 5 zeros. Okay. After 2, how many digits? 4 digits. No space, that's why I am writing over here. After 8, how many digits? 3 digits, so 3 zeros. After 7, 2 zeros. After 6, 1 zero. And then 1. Okay. This number has been split in this fashion. After splitting, you have to put commas. So in here, 3 digits first, comma. Again 3 digits, then comma. Here also 3 digit, comma. 3 digit, comma. 3 digit, comma. Here no comma. Here 3 digit, comma. Here 3 digit, comma. No. Okay. Now the separation has been done and we have separated this number in this fashion. After adding also you will get the same number. That means this line is equal to this one. Okay. Now I will transform this in terms of words. Let us count with the help of international numeral system. That place value chart. This is what? This is unit. This is unit. Unit, tens, 100. This is unit. I am writing here. Unit, tens, 100. This is 1000. This is 10,000. This is 100,000. This is million. This is 10 million. That means 10 into 4. It is 40 million. 40 million. Okay. This is 40 million. This is 10 million. This 10 into 4 is 40 million. Okay. Then you have unit, tens, 100, 1000. This is 10,000. This is 100,000. This is million. So this is 5 million. This is just million. 1 million. 1 million into 5 is 5 million. Okay. And this once. This is unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. That means this is 300,000. 300,000. again plus. This is 20,000. This is 8,000. I am writing shortcut. This is 761. So fine. All the numbers has been written in words. Just now you have to replace this plus symbol and write it together. That is, this is 40 million. This is 5 million. This together added it becomes 45 million. 45 million. Okay. This is 300,000. This is 20,000. Okay, and this is 8,000. So all together it will be 328,000. 28,000. Okay, this is 300, this is 20, and this is 8, and all places we have 1000. That's why 328,000. Okay, and then 761. 61. I hope you are clear with this. If you are not clear, still I will take one different example to make you understand clearly. So let's do it. I am erasing this. So with this I am taking different example, that is 4, 2, 5, 6, 8, 7. So this is the number and I would like to transform into words. This is first of all into Arabic numeral. Now I will transform it into international numeral system. That is 4, 2, 5, 6, 8, 7. Okay. Now we will separate 3 digits by a comma. Okay. This is international numeral system. Now we will do split. First write 4. After 4 how many digits? 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 number of zeros. Okay. After 2 how many zeros? 4 zeros. After 5 how many zeros? 3 zeros. Okay. After 2 4 digits, so 4 0. After 5 3 digits, so 3 0. After 6 2 digits, so 2 zeros. After 8 1 digit, so 1 0 and 7. This number has been splitted in this fashion. When you add this number, you are going to get the same number. Okay. Now we will separate by a comma. Yes. 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits. Here no digits. Okay. This will be ones, tens, 100. This will be 1000. This will be 10,000. This will be 100,000. Okay. 100,000 into 100 into 4. It is 400,000. This is 400,000. So we will write 400,000. This is 20,000. Why 20,000? This is 20 and then 3 zeros. That's why it is 20,000. This is 5,000. This is 687. Okay. All the 1000 places we are going to add up together. Here it is 400, here it is 20, and here it is 5. everywhere you see 1000 is here, so we will add the prefix values. Here 425, 420, I am writing this 400, then I am writing 20, then I am writing 5. Okay, I am writing 5. Then you have 1000 in everywhere common, so I will write 1000. Okay, then you have 687. I hope you are clear with this number. I have said this number, this is Hindu-Arabic numeral. This Hindu-Arabic numeral has been transformed into international numeral system with the separation of the digits with a comma. Every time 3 digits will be separated by a comma from the rightmost point. Okay. Now this number has been splitted in this fashion. How we have done it? First of all, we have taken this 4. After that, we have seen the digits. How many digits? Here, after 4, we have 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 number of zeros are occurring over here. Then we have taken a plus symbol and written 2. After 2, similarly, we are going to see how many digits. So 4 digits. So 4 number of zeros occurring. Every time you have to do in this fashion. And if you have done it, once again you have to separate all the digits with a comma followed by international plus value chart. Okay. After doing so, you have to read from the rightmost part with ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. According to the international place value chart, you have to read this number and you have to write it. After writing, you have to remove this plus symbol. That can only be removed by looking the places where everything getting common or not. Here 1000 is there, here also 1000, here also 1000. So 1000 is common, that means before that whatever it is written, you have to write it together. For suppose here 425, this has been written here 425. After that you put simply 1000, okay, and the remaining number you have to write it together. So this is how you are going to transform any Hindu-Arabic numerals in terms of international numeral system, that too in words. So I am erasing this. So now you people might find one question in mind. Now you people might find one doubt that in both the ways, whether in the Indian numeral system and whether in the international numeral system, in both the ways we are transforming one Hindu-Arabic numerals in terms of words. So let us see that analogy. How can we remember that? I am taking for your better understanding. I am separating the board in 2 parts. This one is the Indian numeral system and this is the international numeral system. Okay, in both the ways we will see. In both the ways, here first one number will be given, that is 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, 8, 6. This is the number, and here also I am writing one number 5, 3, 2, 1, 8, 6, 5. So both I have taken one on side, that is Indian numeral system, other side I have taken international numeral system. So can you say this number is Indian numeral system? No. This number is actually Hindu-Arabic numeral. This is also Hindu-Arabic numerals. But when can you say that this belongs to Indian numeral system? This can only be said after separation of the digits with the help of comma. Here in Indian, first 3 digits separated by a comma. Then remaining digits you have to separate 2 digits by a comma. Okay. In the international, you can see all the digits will be separated by 3 by a comma. So can you observe the difference between these two numbers? Of course the numbers are different, but the thing is that this comma separation you have to see. If the comma separation is first 3 digits separated by a comma and rest of the digits separated after 2 digits by a comma, then you will tell that this number is Indian numeral system. And this number is international numeral system. This can only be told that this first 3 digits separated by a comma, every time 3 digits will be separated by a comma. Then you can say that it is international numeral system. I hope you are clear with this. Now, the process what we have studied is that if we want to transform this number, this means Indian numeral system, into words, then you have to follow one table, that is Indian place value chart. To transform this number in terms of words, you have to follow Indian place value chart. To transform this Indian numeral system in terms of words, you have to follow one table. That table name is Indian place value chart. By following this table, you can transform this number in terms of words. Again, this is international numeral system number. So this number you want to transform in words. To transform this, you have to follow international place value chart. By following this chart, international place value chart, you can transform this international numeral system number in terms of words. I hope that basic difference is clear between among these two numbers systems. These two are nothing but it is a method of numeration. Method of numeration. Numeration is nothing but it is the method of expressing a number in terms of words. So there are basically 2 methods to transform a number into words. What are they? They are Indian numeral system and the other one is the international numeral system. I hope you are clear with all these basic concepts. In the next class we will see some different videos. Thank you and have a nice day.